evening panelists on the dais and friends. Throughout the day, we have seen a lot of thought process that have gone on the cloud, mostly on the infrastructure part. So I would like to present on the service delivery to the masses, which is the need of the hour today. So I have made a presentation like embracing cloud for service delivery to the masses. A brief about Senrisa. We are a new generation technology provider providing end-to-end solution in financial inclusion and other service delivery channel. Senrisa has positioned itself as a pioneer in financial inclusion with adoption of the latest technology. We are providing first and last mile ICT solution and services to over 15,000 villages across India through business correspondent model. I think most of you know the financial inclusion, the business correspondent model. Senrisa is one of the early implementer of Aadhaar enabled payment system for direct benefit transfer. Well, the previous session, Mr. Methu have already discussed on the Aadhaar and the direct benefit transfer. We are one of the first implementer of Aadhaar enabled payment system in India. Our cloud-based service delivery platform are low cost, low or no investment and help our customers shift from capital expenses to operating expenses. So as we have been discussing for the day, in the cloud is more on the OPEX model rather than the CAPEX model. So without wasting much time, I will briefly discuss some of the platform that we have designed over the years. First one is on the financial inclusion. I mean, we know that Government of India wants that all customer need bank account and all transaction should be through the account. And to some extent, we have been giving the basic services of banking like deposit and withdrawal. Believe me, we are working in the field. The customers are not convinced with just withdrawal deposit. They need all type of services. So we need a platform which can be scalable because they want the ATM services, the merchant POS, so that they can go for shopping when they are into the city. They see the other people are swiping their card for marketing, right, or purchase anything. So they want those type of services. And there are multiple vendors who is giving those services in the different, even in a bank. So there has to be a single platform which can cater all the services. I mean, right from the ATM, merchant POS, micro ATM, mobile banking, business correspondent, government beneficiaries, whether it's a APS or IMPS. I mean, you need a single platform which cater all the need of a financial inclusion. And we are providing this type of solution for the banks. And it's purely on cloud, which we are implementing with the central authentication server, or it could be connected to Aadhaar for authentication. The next product that we have designed is on the government benefit gateway. So similar type of product, I mean, already the government is also designing. Since we are into the payment system, it is our main core area, and we have a government benefit gateway where all the department, like every department has some beneficiaries, right, where they are giving the pension or subsidies. Or so now in some cases it is through transfer through account, or in some cases it is through check. So it could be a single platform through which immediately you don't need to do NEFT, which will be created after 3 hours or after 24 hours. Now you have a technology, immediately the amount could be credited on the customer account through with the help of IMPS, and you can have all the department integrated in a single platform with all the beneficiaries, where in a single click, or you can have a scheduler if it is a monthly basis where the amount is credited to the beneficiary's account. And there could be multiple banks that is involved in the whole process. So, and it's also a cloud enable, and it could be rolled out in no time. As discussed by Mr. Methu of UIDAI, so on the eKYC, we have a whole eKYC service delivery system ready. So whether it's a bank or government department, the eKYC infrastructure of Aadhaar could be utilized, and the information that is collected from the after authentication of the beneficiaries could be used by their existing system or the legacy system, where they can integrate the data and manual entry could be minimized to zero, right? And the client end could be a PC, mobile, tab, anything in this system. This is also purely on cloud. I mean, it could be rolled out anytime, at any point of time. So other e-governance solution that we have with us is on the MNREGA field automation. I mean, we have been discussing a lot of MNREGA, right? So the major reason for not implementing to the maximum is we don't have a real tracker how the work is done at the field. So with the help of IT, we can really track whether the money that we are giving, whether he have really worked for that project or that job or not. So that system is already there. At the back end, NIC now have the API and web services which could be integrated with the NIC software which is used by all the states. So that whole system give you, I mean, you don't need even a computer at the field, at the panchayat level. So you need somewhere where they can take the handheld device and upload the data. The rest everything, right, from the payroll or the scroll that is prepared automatically get generated in the NIC server, right? So that is another area where the government department can explore on the field automation of MNREGA, which is the need of the hour, where 1,000 crores, lakhs of crores are invested and actually the output is very negligible. The other solution that we have built, which is also in the cloud, is the PDS, Public Distribution System, where in the public distribution system we have the public commissionerate, then there is a social audit department is there who do the social, then is the community. Community also should know like whether the rice or the sugar is available to my nearest PDS center or not. So this thing is only possible when we use the cloud, we take the advantage of the cloud and we leverage this platform for the masses. So here the fair shop will have a simple mobile based device and it could be authenticated through UIDI or central authentication or some process that identity of the beneficiary could be established, and then you can have the server which could be a part of the NIC or the state owned or the hosted solution which we are having. So that is another area, these are the core area where today we need a solution which could be immediately rolled out. And we are proud that we are having that solution with us. So these are the major products. Because I know that time is less, so I have kept my presentation very precise. Thank you.